Hello students and families. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use our online course guide to research classes. The link to the course guide can be found both on our Hastings High School registration webpage and in the emails that were sent to both students and families regarding 8th grade registration. There are two main ways to explore courses, by department and by pathway. First, let's look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, courses are organized by department. After watching our registration videos on required courses and electives, this is a great place to do a deeper dive into specific classes. For example, if you click on Language Arts, you can compare English 9 and Honors English 9. For each course, you'll see a description, the number of credits, eligible grade levels, and whether the course has a co-requisite. A co-requisite means that when you register for one course, like English 9A, you're automatically registered for the paired course, English 9B. You can use this same process in other departments. For example, in art, you'll see Ceramics 1 and then Ceramics 2 at the top of the screen. When you look at Ceramics 2, you'll notice it has a prerequisite, meaning you must take Ceramics 1 first. The second way to explore courses is by using pathways, which you'll find if you scroll to the bottom of the left-hand side. Pathways are designed to help students think ahead about possible interests or career areas. For example, if a student is interested in business and entrepreneurship, clicking that pathway will show a variety of related courses they might take over time. This isn't necessarily about what you're registering for next year, it's more about long-term planning. You might see courses like Calculus for Business, or notice that some courses list additional information, such as college credit opportunities, or an NCAA designation, which means the course is approved for potential college athletes. In summary, use the department view to research classes you're choosing now, and use the Pathways view to explore future interests and opportunities. Thanks for watching, and please reach out to your counselor if you have any questions.